start stream up properly in just a minute. Just waiting to make sure that everything's running correctly. Oh shit. All right. Looks like the stream is running correctly. Is my audio working though? That's what matters. Hello. Damn. Hold on, is my audio working? Sorry guys, give me just a minute. Yeah, fuck, it looks like it's not. That's so weird. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, no, audio's working. I'm just being a fucking idiot. All right, what's up, guys? My name is Billy, bootleg Billy, if you will. I'm a professional software engineer, but it's the weekend, so no working on the business today. Instead, I'm gonna be working on a game. Not just any game, Billy's Big Magic game. Naturally part of Billy's Big LLC, all rights reserved. Kidding. I've wanted to make a game for a while. I made a long time ago. I made a game in C. Actually, it's one of my projects that I'm proud of. A fully multiplayer networked shooter game in C. It was really cool. It was a really fun learning project. This is also a learning project for the most part. bbfs, what I normally stream, is a learning. It was a learning project, but it's becoming a business that I want to start. This magic game shit is just for me to fuck around. You know what I'm saying? If I can make a game that I can get a friend to play on, and they enjoy it, that's a good game. You know what I'm saying? This project's gonna be a success. So I've literally done nothing. I started up a directory, right? I put it's Nick shit, as you do, right? I set up a very basic, loop, open a window, white background, right? So if I run cargo run, that's it. So I want this game to be, I'm gonna make a magic 2D arena fighting game, right? Not necessarily an arena shooter, an arena fighting game is what I want. I have ideas for how to do interesting shit with it, but nothing that I don't know, I'm just fucking around, guys. I'm just fucking around. Okay, so first things first though, right, is since I want this to be a multiplayer game, I want to have all the logic, or a lot of the logic, living in a server, right? So I need to make a workspace, right? Oh shit, let me boot up Chromium, lol. Chromium. Oops, fuck. No. Whoopsies, lol. Anyway, I didn't expose anything crazy, I don't think. Yeah, that's fine. I have a private Firefox window in one thing, and then I have the actual shit I'm streaming in another. Anyway, what's I gonna look up? Cargo or Rust workspaces, because I want a workspace for the game code, game logic, and then for the server, right? The server and the game will obviously share the game logic shit, right? As well as some networking stuff in the middle. Yeah, it's just glue code. I could have done this before streaming. I probably should have in hindsight to make this more interesting. But like I said, I literally I got back home. I got my car fixed up. She was broken, but now she's good. And I was like, fuck, man, I kind of want to work on some game dev. You know what I'm saying? And then, right, I was gonna work on it just privately. You know what I'm saying? Can I fucking copy paste? Holy shit! Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. I can't copy paste from Chrome for a reason. Cool. Members equals game, right? Server shared, right? Is this how you do? Goddamn, I would kill to play some real music instead of just Minecraft music. If I play the Lo-fi shit though, I got a copyright notice on the YouTube channel. Also bootleg Billy 1, by the way, if any of you give a shit. But yeah. Anyway, cargo C. Okay, no such file or directory for game. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so make dir game, make dir shared, make dir server. So now if I do that, fuck, I need separate cargo topicals. Okay, can I have shared dependencies in a workspace? Okay, dependent on an external package in a workspace. Shared workspace dependencies. Because it would just be useful to be able to like define like macro quad, for example, in just one place. I recommend using a dependency that has all of your dependencies re-exported. That fucking blows. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay, look at that. This is literally exactly what I wanted. Okay, so workspace dot dependencies. Dependencies, right? Macro quad. Yeah, just macro quad for right now. Dude, the fact that there's an 0.4 macro quad is crazy. Because I think when I first started writing Rust, it was like 0.2. Yeah, just crazy shit, man. Okay. So now I need to create a cargo.toml in each of these. bbmg game. I think in the workspace, right? I don't need this package shit. 0.1.0. Okay, then dependencies, right, is macro quad equals workspace equals true. Cool. Yeah, I need a main.rs and then I need a lib for the next two. So let's make a directory source. And then let's just make a lib.rs for right now. And then we'll copy game into, what the fuck did I call it? Shared. And then I'll copy game into server. Right? So let's just do this with terminal for now. Go into game. Let's move source/lib into source/game. Right? Move into server. Fuck. Move game. Slash that down. What? Move game slash this down is what I said. RMR. Okay. Where's the cargo.toml? Copy // game slash cargo.toml here. Touch source/main.rs. rm source/lib. And then in shared, I'll just copy server shit over here. Delete game. I don't know why that's still there. And then move source/main into source/lib. Source/lib. I can't speak. I cannot speak. For anyone who gives a shit, I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stream today. Just because I want to go out and see some friends later. But I can fuck around for a little bit, right? Gotta go see some friends. I got the gym fit on naturally, about to go run 5K later in this fucking hot, sweltering ass sun. Delete directory, source, yeah. Okay, what's going on? Why is this still airing? bbmg cargo.toml, no targets specified in the manifest. Well, yeah, it's a workspace thing, right? I don't think you define anything else besides just the workspace in the cargo.toml, right? They define the package. The package is the root package of the workspace. Okay. Yeah, no package in here. Okay, game.cargo.toml. Game/source. Oh, why the fuck did I call it game? What the fuck? No, no, fuck. God damn it. Close all this shit. Right. Touch. Oh. No, hold on. In game, add a source slash main.rs. That does pretty much nothing. Then delete the file game.rs. Okay, T-package in BBMG game, yeah. So I need to rename the server package to BBMG server. Okay, I thought I renamed shared already, but that's alright. BBMG shared. This is a lot of fucking work just to start this shit up. Jesus Christ. Oh, no edition set. That's important. Edition is equal to 2021 for all of these, for the server and for I was gonna say, is this Zelda music? It sounded like Breath of the Wild, fucking like Ganon music. Speaking of, I'm sure if I play like the Breath of the Wild OST, right? I don't think I'll get in trouble. Sure. Going crazy on the beat. Yo, can I say the Breath of the Wild music is so fucking goddamn good. I love that shit. I love that fucking game. All my heart. Okay. Okay, this is a lot of work, guys. This took a lot longer than I thought it would. Everything's compiling. Son of a bitch. Let's set the workspace resolver to 2 then. I know that the new resolver is a little better when it comes to some shit. I can't remember what though. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Now I want to run the game. How do I run a specific? Okay, BBMG game. Is that what it's called? Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so let's go into the game directory. Fuck. Let's literally just copy paste all this shit into the game directory. Perfect. Got a white screen. There we go. Only took 12 minutes, but we got back to where we were when we started. Okay, so let's set up some info in the shared library, right? Shared. I don't think shared really needs macro quad. No, I probably should keep it for now. So let's make a public struct called player, right? Player has a position, which is a vec2. Forgive me, I've written a lot of Go these past couple weeks, so I might be very Go-brained compared to usual. This music is whack. Okay, so pub function. No, fuck. Hold on. How do I create an associated function for type? Imply player pub function new, and then we'll give take a position, return a player, right? So literally just we'll return itself actually. Guys, I'm a good Rust programmer. I'm a good Rust programmer. Okay, so crazy that I recognize all these songs. Not crazy, it's nerdy as shit. Okay, so now I want to get the shared arms are short if you can't tell. I want to get the shared library as a shared library. Does that make sense? I want to get it shared. I want to get the shared workspace library that we made as a shared dependency between game and server. So I need to figure out how to do that. There we go. I know how to speak. I just do it very poorly. Oh man, this is some pretty ass music. Okay. Use workspace dependencies. feel embarrassed working like publicly because I look like a fucking idiot, I think. But I also like to imagine that most people just work like this. I don't know. Okay. I'd imagine it'd be shared equals workspace equals true. Fuck. Okay, think about how to do this. Referencing workspace members dependency. This is exactly what I'd like. Yes. Specify your path dependency and workspace dependency table. Then you can do exactly that. Doesn't save you from updating one entry from each crate that moved. Okay, hold on. Members is foobar, right? Okay, yeah. Okay. So I would literally just be like shared is equal to, or excuse me, in the base cargo.toml, right? I do shared is equal to, and then path is /shared. It's some pretty fucking music. Oh my god. Like I said, crazy on the beat. No package matching shared found. That's not fucking true. You goddamn liars. What? Specify your path dependency in workspace dependencies table, and you can do exactly that. Yeah, path is equal to /shared. /shared is over here. It's got its own cargo.toml. Location search, right? BBMG shared. Yeah. Oh, fuck. It's called BBMG shared. That's why. So then I go into game, cargo.toml, BBMG shared. That, fuck. Yeah, I'm so fucking go-brained, it's unreal. Okay. So I want to make sure I'm running BBMG game right now. Like a little lick lip, Jesus. Lick lip. I said that right, yeah. Let's think about this. Yeah, it's saying my connection's unstable, but I don't think that's true. Anyway, though, yeah, field position's never read, that's fine. Setup hub func position take and self return vec 2. Because I don't want to modify the position from like anywhere except the shared library, right? To be consistent. Okay. So let's make a new struct as well, right? Call it game states, right? And it will have a list of players, right? Yeah. So let players is equal to, oh no, excuse me. So in game state, right? We should make an implied function called, or implied game state, right? And then a new function pass new, right? Returns a brand new game state. Okay. In shared, we should also have like Serde, I think, right? Yeah, for serialization. And then like, what's an easy serialization format? I could use bin code or something. It doesn't really matter what format I use. I think bin code's the easiest to use though, so. Excuse me. It'd be kind of funny to send JSON around, but no, let's use bin code. What is this theme? I'm sorry, hold on. Guardian battle. Okay, makes sense. Oh, these are remixes. Wow, there are a lot of songs in here. Jesus Christ. Okay, bin code is whatever the fuck. Surveys, whatever. Let's make sure to include the derive feature, survey derive. Should make it easier. Okay, so we'll derive, serialize, and deserialize. Naturally, if we're going to do that, we need to also derive serialize and deserialize for the players. Okay, cool. New game state, right? Just returns an empty ass game state with nothing in it. Add a function called add player. Take in an and myself and return game state. So then, oops, whoopsies. Oh, put a function. Okay, game states. Or no, we'll take self dot players dot. I don't know, if you want to take in a player as well, lol. Player. Self dot players dot push, and then add the new player. Oh yeah, I forget. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I forgot. This isn't. I can't just write this functionally as easily as I'd like. This is an Elixir or something. Let's just do this for now, right? Vec2. Is Vec2 not fucking rough? I'd very much like this to be serializable. Okay, I'm sure there's a glam feature that I can add to like make it work with Survey. Damn, latest glam is 29. That's crazy. Okay, sorry. Let's go into shared, right? Home, Billy. Oops, let's not do that. Shared, cargo.toml. Let's add the latest version of glam and ignore macro quad for right now. Version is equal to 0.29. Features equals, I'm gonna assume it's called survey probably. So remove this. Vec2 will be from glam. We'll also re-export glam. Perfect. Okay. Why is this not working? Okay, it should. Alright. So we've got a cute little thing going for the game state. So in the game, let's create a new game state struct. Game state new. Oh, mud game state. Game state dot add player, and then we'll add in a player new. Right. Target function. We should add a function for showing the players. Player equals this. No, we should make a slice. I don't want to fucking copy that whole thing. And self dot players dot as slice. Okay. Created a new player, or we created a new game state, added a player, which is player.new. We should have a function over here called render game state. Right. Take in pointer to the game state, and we just output nothing. Public for now. Okay, cool, let's get it. So then game state dot players, and for player in game state dot players dot iter. For each of those players, oh fuck. Okay, so for each of those players, right, we want to take the player's position, player dot pause. Maybe we should make this a reference to position. Read-only reference, so we don't actually. I mean, it's fine. Hold on, let me think about this. I just want to avoid accidentally fucking up. Like, if it's clear that it's a read-only position makes it harder to do stupid shit. Yeah, you know what? I'm fine. Yeah, I'm correct. So left position is whatever the fuck I just said. Oh, this takes an argument of a position. Back to new, let's say 50, 50. Right? So then I'll draw a rectangle, right, at position dot x minus, how big are these rectangles? Not 10. Minus 5. Position dot y minus 5. And then the width and height are 10. This will just draw the rectangle exactly in the middle, or excuse me, it'll draw a rectangle around the center, which is the center will be the player's position. Color's red. Oh my god, I gotta sneeze. Holy shit, okay. Cool. So if we run this, compile the new dependencies, give that a second to cook. And, oh, okay, it showed it in the wrong window, hold on. Got a little rectangle going, boys, good shit. Okay, now, I want to do a little more, I want to do a little bit more before I go too crazy. Okay, so, pub function serialize, right? To serialize the game state into an array of bytes. Okay. Sorry, let me think for a second. So, in order to serialize the game into an array of bytes, right? You need to take in. Oh, I just do bin code serialize, right? I take in self, and I'd unwrap, because that's what we do over here, boys. And then deserialize for the same thing. I just don't, I want bin code to be like an implementation so I can change out pretty easily. That's all. Bin code, deserialize. Whoops. Game state. Bytes, vec, let's make it a slice. Dot unwrap. Oops, and U8. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Jesus, I can't type. I say as I scratch my arm vigorously. Let me get some kefir. Y'all, if you want to grow up big and strong, just like me, fucking down that kefir. Oh man, that's sour. Alright, so we have some basic shit going over here. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so in the server implementation, we're gonna need a few things, right? We're gonna need Tokyo immediately. Because to be honest, I can't be fucked to do this any other way. I like async. Async is fun. Okay. Features is equal to net fs. I think I'll need a net fs. Just net, an RT multi-thread. What are they called? Macros. Okay, so then let's pop into the server. Cargo run. Oh, I can just hop into the game directory as well. Okay, that's way better. Def cargo watch added to the flakes shit. No, I don't. Let me go in here real quick into flake.nix and add cargo watch as a build tool. Cargo watch. Perfect. Guys, I fucking love Nix so goddamn much. It's so fucking useful. Okay, yep, server's running, not doing anything. Makes sense. Okay, so async function main, Tokyo main, right? Let's create a new listener is equal to UDP listener, right? UDP socket. that'll bind to colon colon 5555. We are an IPv6 family at Billy's Big Company LLC. Speaking of, I gotta do this hiring pitch every time. If you guys want to hire me at bootlegbilly.dev, shoot me an email. You know what I'm saying? I am looking for work. Await dot unwrap. Okay, now that I have the listener, UB socket bind, all that shit. Okay. So listener dot receive, right? Yeah. I receive one packet at a time, and then I process those packets asynchronously. Let buff is equal to 0. We have a 1 kilobyte message buffer. Very cool. Listener, I swear to God, is it receive? Oh, receive from. That's what I need because I want to respond back. Hold on. Yeah, receive from returns the address that it came from, which is what I want. So, in my buff, while let message size, right? And then address is equal to listener.receive from a wallet. Okay. This is a Goron theme, I bet money. Oh, it's Yiga. Fuck, I'm so wrong. Dot await. Okay. It's been a minute since I've written a lot of like async Rust code, which is why I gotta do this. You know, keep myself fresh. Okay. Can I borrow buff is mutable? Yeah, I probably should make this mutable. Let's message is equal to buff message size dot to vec, right? Because I want to float it. Oh man. Okay, so I have the message, right? Pub async function. I create a new function to handle the message. Hey, welcome in, new viewer. I'm working on some Rust game dev shit. I'm making a multiplayer networked Rust game. Yeah, it's gonna be a 2D top-down magic fighting game at some point, but I'm just running out some of the server stuff because that's what I like doing. So the message is a binary, right? And it just won't return anything for right now, right? So message.toVec, and then we'll spawn a new async task to handle the message and pass in the message binary. Awesome. Okay, cool. Obviously, this is. Oh, we should probably pass in the address as well so we can respond properly. So socket address. Pass in the address here. Cool. Okay. Excuse me. The async is not necessary, despite what the Rust compiler might be saying. Okay, there we go. The Rust format is gonna fucking shoot myself. Let's just make this to-do function. This is a Divine Beast theme, right? No. What's wrong with me? Okay, anyway. Is this music copyrighted? I probably shouldn't play this with hindsight, because I don't know how the copyright works for this yet. Let's just get back to the fucking Minecraft music. Easy enough. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Yeah, handle message. We take in a message binary and an address. Okay, so let me think. So every time we receive a message from a new player, right? We want to add that player to the list of let me think, sorry. those are the players that are connected, basically, right? So we should create a new hash set, right? Called IPs. Let's just say that for now, right? Take a hash set of socket addresses, and it'll just be a new hash set for right now. So then, whenever we get every time we get a message from a player, right? We'll add that player to the list of IPs. So address.clone. We should ignore this for now, actually, then we don't really need to pass in the address to handle message. Well, I mean, do we? You know what? No, it might be best actually not to for right now. Okay. Cool. So now that we're doing that, right? We need to be able to handle new messages from players. For right now, we won't do anything at all. This will just be an empty function. Then we should have a separate. How do I say this? A separate task running in the background, right? Where we need like a tick rate for the server. I don't know. Every once in a while, we'll send data about the game state. So Tokyo time sleep. Oh, I don't have the time dependency for Tokyo added. Whoops, let me do that real quick. So we can sleep properly. Cool. Okay, go back. This is just game server programming, something that I have no knowledge of at all. Anyway, okay, so Tokyo time sleep duration from milliseconds 100, right? So let's do 50, right? So we'll send an update to players every 50 milliseconds. This is fine for now, yeah. I mean, these are all values we can change later. Nothing's set in stone. Why is this giving me a warning? Unexpected token. Why? Okay, it's fine. Not a feature. Oh yeah, oops. Let's wrap this in an async move. Cool. Oh, sleep is unused. Yeah, I need to wait on this. Okay, now let's do this. So let's create a new game state is equal to. We should probably surround the game state in a read-write lock, right? Yes. Okay, so RW lock. Fuck. Okay, I need to add a sync to Tokyo. Yeah, already doing some multi-threaded shit, guys, right away. It's fucking awesome. RW lock. Isn't there a Tokyo read-write lock, or am I crazy? Tokyo does not have a sync feature. Son of a bitch. Okay. Let's take a little look-see then. As to I can't fucking type what features Tokyo has. There's like there's a feature for like mutexes and shit, async mutexes, right? Sync, I'm fucking right. I was gonna say I've written a lot of async. Oh, I put Tokyo. No, that's not quite right. That is not quite right. Okay, let's cargo watch this shit. Okay, it's just sleeping then. Yeah, the sleep's not doing anything, obviously. Okay, so up next, right, what do I need to do? I need to create a new game state with a async RW lock, or an async friendly, excuse me. They need to restart the language server. Let game state is equal to arc new RW lock. There we go. The Tokyo one new, and then game state. Oh, that's not the dependency yet. Oops, I haven't added the shared library that I made. as a dependency. Shared is equal to workspace equals trip. Cool. Game state. New. Right. LSP's not complaining. This is good. Yeah, I should separate out the IPs from the game state shit. Okay, so then once every 50 milliseconds or so, right? I'll game state. I'll lock the game state read only, right? Game state dot read. Am I stupid? Dude, my language server's acting the fuck up. Failed to load workspaces. Okay, why is that? Rust, std error inheriting shared from workspaces. Okay. I know why. It's not called shared, it's called BBMG shared. Silly fucking goose. Okay, now that should work. There we go. I was thinking, no errors on code I just wrote in Rust is crazy. Okay, game state new. Awesome. So then we'll get a read lock, right, on the game state every 50 milliseconds. Dot, oops. Game state equals game state dot read dot wait. Okay, cool. Let serialized game state, because we don't want to keep this locked forever, so we want to wrap this in a block, right? Game state is whatever the fuck I said this. Game state dot serialize. That's it. Okay. So then we can go through. Oh shit. We're gonna need a fucking lock on the list of IP addresses too. That blows. I'll make this a mutex then. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water in just a moment. I just want to finish up with this first. Arc new, mutex new, and then this shit. Cool. So drafting a mutex. Then IPs dot lock dot insert. We use a Tokyo mutex because we love async over here. Fucking sick. All right. So your last game state. So then IPs dot lock dot iter. What? Oh, dot wait dot iter dot for each, and then for each IP address that we have, we will take the listener, or excuse me, this shouldn't be listener, it's just the UDP socket, right? Take the UDP socket and then do dot send to, and then we'll send the serialized game state to each adder, and then rename this to addresses. All right, so what's going on here, right, is, we'll just unwrap, is that, shit, this is not async. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, I need to change this to be a for loop. I forgot, you can't do a for each in an async context. It's a pain in the ass. Dot iter. Okay. Can I explain this, please? Oops. For address, or for address in the addresses. I'll send over the serialized game state. Okay, awesome. No method insert found in opaque type. Oh hey, Nikos Nikos, I'm sorry, I can't say your last name, said good luck. Thank you, man. Dude, yeah, I'm fucking struggling a little bit, to be honest, man. I haven't written a lot of Rust in a long time. Coding Sheet was tough. I agree, but why do you say that is specifically? I'm curious. People just want to veg. Yeah, yeah, I feel that, man. Um, yeah, maybe coding streams can be like a lot to kind of just listen in on compared to like just chatting or like a gaming stream. You know what I'm saying? Hmm. I don't know. Maybe I could talk less during these streams. I've been trying to figure out how to make these streams more comfortable for users. I talk a lot because I don't want there to be just like dead air of me just typing, but yeah, maybe it would be better to just chill and then let people come in and chat. Ugh, I don't know. The main thing with that though is like I don't have a following yet, so there's not much chatter going on. You literally have to spend an hour explaining what you're doing to each new visitor. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I've gotten pretty good though at like when somebody comes in, just explaining really quick what I'm doing on a basic level, and then past that, if they ask more questions, I just like talk about it. I love it though, honestly, man, because it lets me like express my skill as a programmer, and then like also teach people new things, and I learn new things too. It's like a nice kind of symbiosis. You know what I mean? What the fuck? Borrow move value sock. Okay, that's not great. Is sent to take an and mut or just a mut? Okay, I thought so. Or just a regular pointer. So I can wrap this in an arc, right? Atomic reference counter. It stops you procrastinating more, which is good. Yeah, no, 100%, man. It's oh fuck. I was not paying attention to what I was writing. No, I enjoy it. I enjoy streaming overall. I've come to find. I really prefer when there are people in chat to like talk to, or people are being very active in chat, because that lets me kind of not chill necessarily, but like I think the reason I like streaming the most is talking to people in chat, and like people talking about their experiences and shit as like students or government contractors, whatever. So that happening did annoy me at first, but like after a bit, I've gotten used to it. You know what I mean? Let sock clone is equal to arc clone and sock. Let sock equals sock clone. Cool. This should work now, I think. Borrow of move value addresses. Son of a bitch. Okay, I need to do the same thing over here. So let addresses clone is equal to arc clone and I wish there was like a Rust syntax for doing this shit instead of just having to fucking write all this out. This is so much fucking boilerplate code. Okay, there we go. This is just running. So now what's happening, right, is whenever a new player connects, right? And by connects, I mean they just add themselves to the or they send a message, right? Whenever drunk coding, you literally find people. People find getting drunk to get more views. Why? Why would people want to come in specifically to watch drunk coding? That sounds fucking miserable. Like I would drink separately in program, but I don't think I'd want to stream drunk, especially if I was doing programming. That just sounds like a boring time, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not gonna be able to focus very well. All right, I just punched the fuck out of my mic. Okay, audio's still working though, which is good. Yeah, I don't know if I do a drunk stream, to be quite honest. It could be fun eventually though. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more thing over here, right? What annoys me is people come and watch, don't say anything and leave. Dude, I'm not joking. I think 99% of like unique visitors that I get, or unique viewers, because I check the analytics sometimes, are people just coming in, watching for a second, then leaving. It's fine though, man. I get it. Like, people might not like the style of my streams, or you know, maybe they came in just to see what the fuck was going on. You know, like, oh, Rust programming. Decided like, no, it's kind of boring, and then leaving. I don't think it's too big a deal personally. You know what I mean? I assume you stream though. From you know, your experience chatting about it. let me go in here, right? Let's add a new struct, or excuse me. Let's add a new enum, right, called message. Make this serializable. And deserialize. Nope, deserialize. Okay, so we'll have an empty message, right? Just to register to the server that like, hey, you know, this player wants to come and start playing, right? So then it'll be added to the list of addresses, right? And then we'll get game state like streamed back to the player, right? Okay, cool. In-stream Phoenix and Elixir, which seems to be a hot topic right now. Oh my fucking god, dude! I love Elixir Phoenix. Oh, that's so fucking hype. Shit, man. Let me check out your channel real quick. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna get your VODs for a sec. Okay, sick. You play guitar too. Very fucking nice. Okay, a lot of music streams. This is sick though. No, oh whoops. Hold on. Let me do this in my personal browser. But I used to work at Fly.io, which is super duper big on like Elixir Phoenix. So I read a lot back when I was over there, man. It's really great. I love it. What is it? That and my normal stream project, bbfs. Got to do a quick little plug. Oops. bbfs.io. The code for that's open, and you can see that it's mostly, well, partly Elixir Phoenix. Elixir Phoenix for the authentication and web front end, some TypeScript too. Rust for the back end, and then Go for the app that I've been working on. But okay, let's get back here, right? So then, finally, in the game directory, we'll go in. We'll create a new game state, right? But, let me think. We'll have a new background process, right? I typed in Elixir and you were the only thing that showed up. Are you? That's fucking crazy, really. That's so awesome, dude. Oh, for live streams, probably. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I have Elixir as a tag because I normally write a lot of Elixir on stream, but currently I'm writing Rust. So I can switch over to the, what the fuck is it called? The Elixir Phoenix project that I normally work on, if you want me to, if that's more interesting. I'm just doing game dev right now because I'm like, man, you know, I want to do something like more chill. You know, I'm saying not working on my business, or whatever. So, you know, game dev's easy enough. Sure, fuck yeah, man. All right. Okay, let me just close all this shit out then, and move this to window 8. Okay, give me like 1 sec to set up the backend. So Big Central is the Elixir code base. Let me see if I can link to it in chat. Billy's big file server. So you're gonna have to you're gonna have to forgive me. So for like anyone who actually writes Elixir, I'm sure this code base is fucking horrendous. I'm learning it, also trying to get a job because the front end and market is crowded. Oh, that's sick, dude. Okay. You're trying to get hired working in Elixir. That's awesome. Let me think, man. Hold on. I thought I knew some places that were hiring Elixir devs right now. Elixir dev hiring. Let me see. Oh, elixirjobs.net. That's awesome. I know Fly used to be hiring, but not anymore. Damn, none of these that I know, unfortunately. Good stuff, though. I'm making Hello Worlds videos at the moment. That's good, though, man. That's good. That's a solid start, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to warn you, my Elixir foo is not amazing, right? It's not great, but... Let's see, Big Central Web, live, users live. Okay. Let's get the file server set up as well. Give that a sec to load. I use Nix a lot everywhere just because it makes it easier to download dependencies and stuff. Excuse me. Okay. It's taking a long time. Okay. In the meantime, let's get the app booted up. CD project bbfs app. Go run dot. It's fine. Oops. Last stream I was doing some Go dev, but I'll avoid that for today. Damn. Okay, there we go. I see what's going on. Will this run? Okay, now this should run. There we go. Or not. Because the file server's still not running. I'll go watch -x run. Jesus, took 5 minutes to set that up. But the app should load up now. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so to give some backstory, bbfs is an encrypted, end-to-end encrypted file server that I've been working on, right? The front end's mostly written in Go right now, but it's open source, so like, you know, the front end can be written in TypeScript or whatever. Like, there's an old TypeScript front end that I had that I kind of abandoned. The back end is in Elixir Phoenix for authentication and shit, and in Rust for handling like file-based operations. Let me think. Let's open up the Elixir Phoenix code base. I could work on adding the like getting started page. Hold on. I want to work on something interesting, right, regarding the Elixir Phoenix code base, especially if you're trying to learn Elixir. Because just writing a bunch of HTML isn't the most exciting thing to watch. You know what I mean? Let me think. Okay, let me find... I know I have a list of projects that I wanted to work on for this. So, let me look. Allow revoking tokens. Okay, that's what I'll work on. So, to back up for a second. Because this is a like distributed systems project, I'm interested in applying to a private VPS deploy. Oh my god, dude, yeah, wait. To make sure, VPS is like Amazon AWS, right, or Vercel or whatever, right? VPS, what is, just making sure. Yeah, okay, virtual private server, I'm right. Dude, yeah, I used to work, okay. I used to work at a place called fly.io. They're super duper big on, yeah, Elixir, right? We hired the guy who made Phoenix Live View, actually. And then, yeah, we're big on SQLite as well, through LightFS, I think is what it's called. Damn, hold on. Fly, keyboard shortcut's not working. Fly.io, LightFS. This is really fucking neat if you haven't heard of it. Hold on, let me chill this for a second. I don't work for Fly anymore, by the way, to be clear. I'm not just being a corporate shill. I do like their products quite a bit, though. It's very, very cool. I had a lot of fun working there. Yeah, man, LightFS is really neat in that it's a distributed SQLite layer, I guess, on top of SQLite itself. So your app can take, like, have, you know, basically instant reads, right? And then normal speed, or like slower writes in exchange. I'd strongly recommend it if you want to have like a distributed app using a SQLite. Oh, but okay, back to this, right? So, Big Central is my Elixir Phoenix app that handles authentication, right? So what goes on is basically when you go and sign up, let's go to live, user live, sign up, or login, excuse me. Controllers, user session. So when you go and log in, where is it? Over here, right? We create a new token for you, and then send that back to the client, and then the client deals with that, right? Thing is, though, what's interesting is these tokens aren't like just like a JWT or something like that. It's specifically what's called a biscuit, right? So if I go over here, I want to explain how this works. Hold on. I've never been great at explaining things, so I hope I get this right. But basically, normally, like cookies and shit that services give you when you log in, these are all or nothing things, right? A cookie gives you the ability to do anything you want as that user, right? So in this case, like with a file server, right, a cookie would let you like upload, download, delete files, do billing shit, all of that, right? So biscuits are a little bit different in that biscuits have specific. I'm gonna simplify this quite a bit, but like they have specific rights, right, that are granted or denied to a user, right? So like, for example, when you first log in, you're given what's called, or what I call, an ultimate token, right? So that token that you're given, that authentication token, right, can read files, write files, query, meaning like list files, delete files, view how much data you're using, get payment details, right? Like do billing shit, etc. Right? Read and write master key. Don't worry about that. That's a later thing. What's really neat though about Biscuit, right? About like Biscuit tokens is this gets me excited. Okay, so let me show you this. I'm gonna pull up some Go code for just 1 sec, but I promise it's relevant. It's not too hard to read either. Okay, so over here, right? What's really neat about Biscuits is I can create a second token from that ultimate token that I have that has restricted rights, right? And then from that token, you can also create another token that has even more restricted rights. What do I mean by that, right? So when you first log in, like I said, you're given a token that can do pretty much anything, right? But when you like share a file with another user, for example, right? Instead of asking the server, hey server, can you make a separate, smaller token that has less rights? And then I pass that token to the user so that they can like download a file, right? What I can instead do is, hold on, where do I do this exactly? What I can instead do, right, is make a smaller token from that big token that only has the ability to read and write a specific file, right? And by specific file, I define that over here, allowed file IDs, right? So what I'm saying though, right? Excuse me. What I'm saying is though, basically, right? I can do what's called attenuation, which is like a security term, basically meaning like giving other users access rights to stuff that I control offline without accessing Big Central at all, which saves me time, right? Saves users time as well, and it reduces the stress in the server. So it basically, if Big Central goes down, right? If the authentication on Elixir Phoenix server goes down, all that means is that new users can't log in. Old users who are already in, right, can still download files, still upload files, and still share files completely without effect. It's super fucking awesome. I think it's so sick. But that's my little nerd rant about authentication. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. So what I need to do though, right, is every time we create a new token, every time we create a new token over here, right, create token, we return that token to the user, obviously, but we store it in a database, right? So, for example, if I connect to the local, give me a sec. If I connect to the locally running database, right, and then I connect, right, and I select from tokens, oops, select, I can't type. As you can see, every single time a new user's logged in, right, I store the user ID, right? I store the token that I generated, and then I store, like when it got created, when they logged in, and then whether or not the token is valid, right? So just true or false. So what I want to be able to do, right, is let the user see every single user that's currently, see every single token that's currently logged in to their account, right? So like, different apps that are logged in, through different browsers and all that shit, right? And then choose to be able to revoke that access. So that user will be like logged out, if you will, right? Yeah, okay, that's the plan. To do that though, I need to do a few things, right? Number one is I need to go into the token definition in SQL. Nice. Thank you, dude. I think this shit is so goddamn cool. Sorry, there's a lot of profanity. I hope that's not a bother. But okay, so right here, right? This field valid, or excuse me, this is where the like scheme is defined, right? For the token stable. I want to add a new field called I want to store what exactly created that token, right? Whether it's a browser, whether it's like an app, etc., right? So what should I call this field? Maybe like a created by. Make that a string. Okay, then over here, I want to add a new migration. Mix ecto.gen.migration. Let's call it. Oh, I also want to store the IP address. Excuse me, that created the token. So field IP. I think that Postgres has an IP address data type, but let me double check. Postgres IP address type. Okay, it does. So does Ecto have it though? Ecto IP address type. I mean, I can just store it as a string. It's not that big a deal, but inet. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, so field IP address is an inet, right? What's going on? Inet given as type for field is not what? Is not an ecto.type or ecto.parameterized type. Okay, that's fine if it's in Postgres, but oh, it's a Postgres extension. Okay, cool. So how would I include that though? We go into the Postgres docs inet. Would I use Postgres dot extensions? Okay, cool, that made it work. Awesome. Oh, no, wait. Fuck, I guess not. Undefined function. Damn it. Postgres inet Elixir, or ecto. So I'm not sure how to do this off the top of my head. Whatever, you know what? If I don't find it here, I can't be bothered. Okay, what if, let me just try one more thing, and if not, I'll just store it as a string, not a big deal. Postgres dot inet. Nope, okay, that's fine. You know what? String. Not that big a deal. Okay. Nico said, we have an authentication system, but it's all handled with an object with true or false permissions, and it's stored in NoSQL. Interesting. Okay. So do you generate like new tokens for each user, and then that token is associated with a list, like a Boolean list of true, false, or whatever for each different permission that it has? Because if so, that's totally fine. That works well. You know what I'm saying? There's trade-offs and advantages to each kind of system. The reason I say that is like for this system, for example, right? Because of the fact that attenuation is done off. Oh wait, hold up. No, we normally just give people admin permissions because we can't be bothered to keep track. Man, I feel that. I get that. I mean, is it an internal system or is it like a system? Well, if you can't talk about that, like don't obviously. But is it an internal system or is it a system that like users, like outside users can use? Because if it's internal, like who gives a shit at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? But specifically because the system is like dealing with random users from the internet, I need to be super careful about what permissions I give them by default. Can't say. That's totally fine, man. Yeah, no worries. No worries. Oh yeah, fuck permissions, right? Or the migration. Mix x.gen.migration. I'll call it token store more info. Cool. Awesome. All right, let's go to priv repo migrations, and then token store more info. So then I'll add haven't written a migration in a while. Give me a sec. Okay. So modify table. Right. Table tokens. Do, and then I'll add created by. Oh, hold on. Anybody with extra permission has to be signed off by a dev. Okay, yeah, that's fine then. I'd imagine the system's small enough to where you more or less know what users are in the system if each user signed off by a dev. Don't tell me, obviously, they're not. Like, this is me just guessing, but if that's the case, it doesn't seem like that big of a deal, you know? Like, different organizations and shit have different security needs, I guess, they need to follow. Like, if the system was internal, I probably wouldn't even have like the whole offline attenuation thing. I just use a regular JWT. Because like if the system goes down, who gives a shit? Like contact the dev and they'll fix it. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'll add the created by field, which is text, and I'll also add the oopsies IP field, which is also text. All right, so then over here, my voice keeps cracking. Holy shit! I'll run ecto.migrate. He didn't like that. Cannot execute command outside of block. What do you mean? What do you mean? Modify table tokens. Oh, it's alter table, not modify. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So mix ecto.migrate. Cool, migration ran successfully. Okay, so then over here in Big Central Web, in this controller, when we generate, okay, excuse me, in the generate ultimate function, we can't just take an email now. We also need to take an IP address and created by. Are there enums in Elixir? Like, I should know off the top of my head. Because if so, it'd be nice to have like an enum of accepted values, and then just converting that to a string if necessary. Hold on, Elixir enum. I promise I used to write a lot of Elixir. I still do. I'm just so new to the language still that I wouldn't call myself an expert like at all. Not enum. What are they called? I think you can use pattern matching. Oh, you know what? You're so fucking right. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I'm being an idiot. Okay. So token.create tokens. So. Oh yeah, I can take it as an atom, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'll make created by equal to case. Yeah, how do you switch things? It's a case created by. And then if it's equal to browser. Okay, yeah. So I can make it like browser and then browser name. I would just make it the browser name. If it's equal to app, then I'll just say like third or external app. Awesome. Okay, cool. So then over in the create token function, right? Oh, I think this is it. Wow, okay. Let me just make sure. Create token, attributes, change set. I need to modify the change set function, right? To take in created by and IP address, right? I know, just IP. So I do want created by to be required, although I don't think that we need to require the IP address. I don't know. I think that always storing the IP of who's trying to create it is useful. I'll make that required too, why not? Cool. IP, so then create token, right? We're taking the IP and created by, oops. Nice, all right. So then we just gotta go level up again. Where do we generate the token? I think there's only one place, right? Token dot generate ultimate. Yeah, there's only one place we generate tokens. Okay, so over here in create function, we need to be able to figure out where, or excuse me, I'm pretty sure that Elixir Phoenix will let you get the IP address of where the request is coming from, right? Elixir Phoenix request IP. Oops. IP addresses from users. Yeah, exactly. This is what I want. Oops, I just hit my mic again. Still working though, thank God. Okay, I'd like to build a clone. What is my IP? Remote IP. Okay, cool. Wait, it's an external package. That's not right. X44 and X real IP. You should inspect connection. In case you can get IP from multiple attributes. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is perfect. So in the connection, I can just get the IP address, right? Hold on. Elixir Phoenix connection. Yeah, plug.connection. This is right, I think. Remote IP. Oh, it's literally a function. Awesome. Okay, so remote IP. Okay, request.fields remote IP. Oh, it's a field. I'm stupid. So it's given as a tuple. Cool. All right, so over here in generate ultimate. Let's do something, right? So firstly, we need to parse the IP address correctly. So, damn. Is there a way of converting a tuple of IP addresses to a string? It's not that big a deal if I don't have to write a function though. IP equals con dot remote. No autocomplete. Cool. What is it again? Remote address? Remote adder. Remote IP. Okay. Con dot remote IP, right? And then pass that into a quick little function called IP to string function equals function. Right, okay. Expressions required on the right side of, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so I know it's a tuple of IP1, IP2, IP3, and IP4, right? Wait, that can't be right. Oh no, I probably need to actually import a package then. Since otherwise, right? We can have an IPv6 address and not just IPv4, and this would be wrong. I don't want to import a whole ass package just based on this though. Let me think for a moment. Yeah, I need to figure out how to do this then. Okay. Can I iterate through a tuple and then just convert that into an IP string? I don't know. IP address tuple to string. I'm so sure there's a standard library function that I can use. Okay, yeah. inet.parse address. Okay, so there's gonna be an Erlang function then. Inet Erlang. I thought so. Inet IP tuple to string. NTOA. Perfect. Look at that. That's fucking excellent. All right. So IP inet inet.ntoa. Pass in the IP address. Okay, returns a string or what does it return here? Okay. Where's the NTOA function specifically? I think I'll go with Oracle Cloud as it has a perpetual free BPS, I've heard. Yeah, I've heard that too. Oracle Cloud is good. I'll show Fly again because they give like a $5 credit. So as long as your usage stays under $5, they don't charge you at all. But that's just my personal bias, to be fair. Okay, it returns an address string, IP address. Okay, cool, perfect. It just returns a string. This is exactly what I wanted. So I can just pass this into this IP string. That's perfect. Okay, cool. So I can pass that in as the next argument. And then finally, whether or not it's an app creating the token or a browser, or a browser. It's always gonna be a browser for right now, since I don't generate a new token in the app part. So what I'll do here is created by is always, well, hold on. I still need to get the specific browser being used, like Firefox, whatever the fuck. I'm sure that's like in the request header, right? Get browser Phoenix or Elixir Phoenix. I'm gonna sneeze, give me one sec. Fucking violent, Jesus. All right, get name of operating system of user and browser. Yeah, this is what I want. It's available in the user agent header. Okay, cool. I mean, it's fine if this is a lie. Like, people can fuck with the user agent header. I don't really give a shit. I just want to find the exact header that's used. Is it just user-agent? Okay, cool. So user agent is equal to con dot. Can I get request headers from the connection? I'm sure I can. Header. Okay, request headers as a list. Note that all headers will be downcased. Cool. Okay, so I pass in connection dot rec headers into an enum dot find, right? Yeah, the enumeral default function. I want the default to be like nothing. Yeah. Yeah, none, right? And then the function is header, right? So then, yeah, the list of request headers. So I want to find the header that starts with app user agent downcased. Header name and header value, right? So case header name. Right, the header name needs to start with user-agent. And then if so, I'll pass in the header value. Otherwise, I'll pass nil. Is that what enum.find wants, or did I pass in true or false? It doesn't really matter to me much, to be honest. Enum.find Elixir. I need to like memorize the standard library by heart eventually. Enum.sum.map. Okay, where's the find function? Return to first element, which returns a truthy value. Okay. So where is it? Over here. Okay. So I just pass in true and then false, right? So then ignore the header name and take the user agent. Finally, I pass in the user agent as the browser. And then, yeah, we have some basic tracking going, I think. Mismatched limiter found. Oh, I forgot to. Whoops. I fucked up over here. That's fine. Oh, no commas. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah, let's get it, guys. All right, so let's run the Elixir server. Cool. Undefined variable IP. Oh yeah, I don't need that. Forgot. I love running Elixir, man. Holy shit. It is so goddamn nice. Where's the... Okay. Okay, there we go. It's built. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect to the Postgres server, right? Select from tokens, order by, fuck, what, yeah, updated that, inserted that. Can I like reverse it? I want to get the last token inserted. Get, damn, I can't type. Get last item inserted, SQL. Fuck. Okay. Insert into, fuck. How can reverse order by SQL? That's what I need. I'm taking an SQL class right now in university and I still don't know this. Order by ascending, okay. Order by inserted at ascending, right? Okay. Order by inserted at ascending. That should give the latest token. Nope. I mean descending is what I meant. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now we'll go over here. We'll log into the log into the server. Get started. Log in. My email is john@bond.com. This is running locally. This is running locally. Obviously, I'm not gonna put my real creds out. Password is John Bond. Testing. Brody, had dark screen. My eyes are hurting. I'm sorry, man. Hold on. Can I put this in dark mode? Actually, this is like stock Chromium. To be honest, dark mode. Oh my god. Holy shit, what a fucking blessing. Okay, force dark mode extension. I haven't added dark mode to the actual website yet, so I'll just add some random extension. Pay? Are you on crack? Why would I do that? Okay, I'm not gonna pay for some random browser extension. Okay, john@bond.com. Password's John Bond. Nikos, thank you for saving the eyesight of dozens of viewers. Okay, let's log in. No clause matching, whatever. Fuck. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. Whoops, I forgot that over here we need to pass in browser user agent because it's not an external app making it. Okay, try this again, refresh, continue. No match on right hand side of error. Okay, what's going on here? Is invalid. What do you mean? It's a string. The fuck is possible? Okay, damn, dude. Am I passing the right arguments? Generate ultimate. IP created by. Yeah, I'm right. The IP address is a string. Let me double check. Let's do an io.inspect over here. Fucking excellent. Okay. So refresh this, right? Oh, okay, this is a char list, not a string. Damn, char list to string Elixir. This is miserable. I really need to learn how to do this correctly. Jesus Christ. Okay, there's just a toString function. So if I do toString over here, should work beautifully. Let's refresh this. Oh, okay. Nice. So generated a new token. So now if we go over here and then read from the database, Nice. Look at that. Okay. Mozilla, whatever the fuck, Chrome. Yep. Okay. It's getting Chrome and it's getting the IP address is 127. Let's go, guys. Holy shit. That's awesome. Okay. Let me do something real quick before I git merge this. So because this is hosted on the fly, not sponsored. Not sponsored. Just used to work there. Wow. This is hold on. This is bad. This is awful to read. Let's turn it off for fly. Because I'm sure, I think Fly has its own dark mode thing, right? Nope, I guess not. Okay. Let me not blind our beautiful viewers then. So, does Fly set like the remote IP, like header or no? IP address. I'm sure, okay. Outbound IP. I think outbound IP is what I'm looking for, right? Fly machines have an IPv6 address, we don't have static IPs. Okay, this isn't what I mean. Inbound IP. Get inbound IP fly.io. I don't know if they set any headers that I need to look at. Yes, Fly replaced inbound IP address for requests. I'll have to check the actual IP from headers. I use this. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I was gonna say, because I don't want Fly proxy servers IPs being logged, because I don't give a shit about that. So check X real IP. Yeah. Okay, so if con.remote headers dot, oh no, excuse me, con.rec headers, we'll pass that into enum.find, right? Default value is nil, and then function, header main header value. So if we have the X remote IP header, right? Case header name do X remote IP, then we'll use that as the IP address. Hold on, let me think for a moment. True, otherwise false. So if this, which this whole function will be called find X real IP, make this a function that takes in nothing actually. Okay. Oh no, hold up. I'll just call this okay, X real IP is equal to this. If X real IP, oh wait, hold on. Con.rec headers, and pass that into this function, is not equal to nil. Wait, sorry, let me back up. Okay, so if IP address is equal to, we'll check if X real IP is set, right? If it's set, then we'll use X real IP as the value, right? If it's set to nil, which means that header's not set, not remote IP, real IP, whoops, then we'll get the direct peer connection. Just giving us an error. I'm probably doing something wrong here. Oh, I forgot to do the end parentheses here. Mismatch the window. God damn it. Okay, enum.find, right? Nil is the default value. Taking a function. Oh, whoops. Okay, I see what I did here. I've been calling end way too early. God damn it. Okay, enum.find, right? Nil and then a function, right? Take the function value. Hold on, I haven't written a closure in a while, I'm sorry. I'm doing the exact same goddamn thing here, right? Contra request headers, right? Pass that into enum.find. default's instead of none, it's nil, right? Function header name header value, right? This shit, do a case statement end. Okay, you know what? I'll just copy this shit word for word, but it'll instead be for xreal IP. Xreal IP, make this nil, and then header name, and then the actual IP address value. Cool, okay. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, that was the issue, I think. There we go, perfect. Beautiful. Okay, now that I actually know how to program, we're checking the xreal IP user, or yeah, the xreal IP, what are they called? HTTP header, right? Let me check to make sure that that's the correct header that Fly sets. Request headers, yeah. Fly client IP, do they not set xreal IP? Son of a bitch. Okay, hold on. The IP address of the client from the perspective of the Fly proxy. If you're using another reverse proxy service in front of the Fly auto platform, this header will be set to the proxy service's IP address rather than the client making the request. In that case, you need to parse the address from x4 to 4. Damn it. Does Fly not set xreal IP? Because I'd like something cross-platform. I don't want to be tied to fly.io, you know what I mean? Xreal IP. Okay, I'm gonna guess that they're actually setting xreal IP. Hold on, let me double check. Curl debug.fly.dev. Oh, hello, shit, let me not dox myself, actually. Whoopsies. Hold on. Okay, fly forwarded port, fly request study. Damn, it doesn't look like... I mean, Ukraine, I'm falling asleep, catch you later, bro. Hey, man, thanks for being on stream, bro. It's been a blast. I appreciate the follow, too, man. Shit's awesome. Oh, also, thank you, thank you, Baku Wabaku, for the follow as well. Big fucking appreciation. Okay, god damn it. It looks like I will need to use fly client IP, which is very fly specific, but whatever. So, over here, fly client IP. Fucking beautiful. Okay, so then, same thing, it still should work. So now, we're doing IP logging, we're doing browser logging, right? This is the first step. This is the first of many steps, right? The second thing that we need to do, right, is have a page called tokens, right? Where you can view everybody who's been logged in, right? And then have the ability to revoke specific tokens, right? So the thing about Biscuit specifically is we can't just take the token string, right? There is a way of getting a unique identifier for each token descendant, I guess, if that makes sense, right? So we want to get that out, like the root identifying token. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so next up, right? I think I already have a tokens page, it's just worthless right now. What's going on here? This function call will not succeed. Why? Let me make sure logging in is still working then. Localhost 4000. Okay, just log out real quick. Get started, log in, john@bond.com. Password is John Bond. I am human. Internal server error. Okay, off to a fucking fantastic start. Okay, no match. Oh, it does not implement the access behavior. Fetch is undefined. Okay, what's going on here? What is going on here? Sorry guys, give me 1 sec to think. Okay, We're doing something wrong with the connection then, clearly, right? We shouldn't be calling... Oh, shit. Okay, I see the issue. That makes sense. Very subtle, very subtle. Anyway, we log in. CSRF. God damn it. That's fine, okay. Log in again. john@bond.com. John Bond. I am human. Log in. No match on right-hand side of value of nil. Okay, yeah, I didn't... I'm not accounting for that correctly. Okay. Let me think. I'll just set this to, like, xreal IP. Right? So, if it's nil, right? Otherwise, if it's header, name, and then xreal IP, that's what I'll do. I look for headers in one more place. I need to make sure that that doesn't crash if there's no header found. You know what? If a connection fails because the user agent isn't set, you either have a fucked up browser, right? Or you're doing some scripting, in which case you should set a user agent anyway. Right? Well, no, that's not even true. That's not even true. Damn, let me think. Whatever, not a big deal. It's a later thing for me to worry about. Oops, wrong thing. Let's move this over here, actually. Okay, so let's add I already have a tokens page, right? That does not work. Okay, that's fine. Let's see, tokens.ex, right? So, big central web, live, user live, and then tokens.ex. Cool. Okay, so this tokens for user, what does that return? I just want the token. I don't want all the information about it. Right? Yeah, okay. Tokens, enum.map function t. Well, I don't know why I'm doing this. I just want the tokens. Okay. Cool. Still crashing. Token.userid. Oh, okay. Okay. I see what's happening here, right? So the token's a string that we're passing over here. I'm using the word token a lot. The token that the browser, currently, this browser, is passing to Elixir Phoenix is just a string. A while back, it used to be a struct, but that was stupid, so I'm not doing that anymore. So what I need to do over here, right, is get user ID is equal to biscuits.get fact. Now we're passing the tokens. Public key is fuck. I don't remember how I get the public key exactly. I think I do some stupid bullshit in the Elixir code bit. Yeah. So I get the private key, which is a secret, or which is a environment variable, and then I get the public key from it directly. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm apparently the only Elixir stream right now, which is crazy, considering how I feel like the language is very big, right? Whoops. Anyway, passing the public key, and then finally, the fact I want is the user ID. Actually, I have no idea how biscuit.getFact returns anything because it's been a while. So, okay, it returns okay, and then the actual thing. So, okay, and then the user ID. Right. Excellent. Okay. Oh shit, we're at 18 followers. That's so crazy. That's awesome. I'm trying to see if I can hit 50 by the end of the year or something. That would be fucking swell. Anyway, Nif panicked. Yeah, dots up. Biscuits.getFact. Is it called user ID or is it just called user? I don't actually remember off the top of my head. It might be called user. Okay, it's called user, I'm right. So just passing the user ID directly over here. Protocol HTML safe is not implemented for this shit. Okay. I just want the token, to be honest. I don't need all this shit. I just want the list of tokens. Email not found in blank. Why am I showing the email for each token? That doesn't even make any sense. Who cares? Okay. Yeah, I really need to like rework this entire page then. Jesus Christ. Damn, so many viewers. Yeah, Jesus. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Let's just show each token. That's it. I don't want to show the token email. Just the tokens. Cool. A list of basically just garbage text. But we're starting somewhere, right? Okay. So next up, right? I need to be able to show the root ID of each of these tokens. As in, let me think about how to explain this. I need to be able to show basically, hold on, let me see if okay, biscuit root ID. This is probably a better way of explaining it than me just yapping. Biscuit off root ID. Wait, this is a Rust library. This is not what I want. Biscuit authorization. Okay, cool. Revocation. This is the section I need to read into. Okay, revocation. Fuck. Revoking biscuit token. I know they have like an actual listed, what is it called? Yeah, okay, there we go. Revocation identifiers. This is what I'm looking for. Once a token's been created, we need a way to invalidate it, either due to its life cycle, like logging out or decommissioning a service, or because it was compromised. Exactly. Tokens can come with an expiration date. Yeah. I also need to add an expiration date to tokens so they don't just last forever, which is what they currently do. But that's a later thing. But they're not sufficient as there was blah 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 blah. Okay. Revoking bearer tokens like biscuits is usually this music's so fucking loud. Is usually done through revocation lists. A list of tokens that are no longer accepted is shared with all verifying parties. That's what when authorizing a biscuit token, the library will look up in the list and refuse the request if it finds it. Such a mechanism relies on being able to uniquely identify tokens. Yes. Okay. So, this is what I want. A way to identify groups of tokens derived from the same parent token. I want to be able to, for the user, easily identify parent tokens when they were last used, right? And just delete them. Or not delete them, revoke them, excuse me. Okay, a revocation ID. This is what I need. In Rust. So let me back up for a second. Biscuit, this library over here is not an official library. It's a library that I wrote, right? For the big file server. I have a Rust library, right? That Elixir interfaces with using Elixir NIFs. It's very cool. Here, where is it? bspx lib biscuit. Oops. bspx native biscuit ex source lib. Perfect. Okay, that's what I wanted. So I need to add a new function to get the root identifying token, right? So this was an Elixir stream. This is now a Rust stream for the next minute or so. Rustler NIF function. Let me check. So revocation identifiers returns a list of revocation identifiers as byte arrays. Don't forget to parse them from a textual representation. For instance, hexadecimal if you store them as text values. Okay. Revocation identifier. So it returns multiple. It's not exactly what I want. I want just the parent identifier. Okay, revocation identifiers. Is there like an option just to get the first? Okay, root key ID returns an optional root key identifier. This is not what I want either. Fuck it. Okay. Function revocation identifiers. Pass in the token as a string, or no, biscuit. Excuse me. Biscuit token are interchangeable, but like biscuit's more specific. Okay, and then return a list of binaries, or an error as a string. real quick before I forget, just add that as a function. Oops. Okay, there we go. All right, so now, okay, I'll take the biscuit, and how do we parse this? Biscuit from base, okay, base 64 is the default. Cool. So let biscuit equals biscuit from base 64. Okay, I gotta use the bathroom so fucking bad, so I will do that and be right back. Let me just add this real quick too. Missing lifetime identifier. It's a fucking string. Who cares? Oh, okay, hold on. I see the issue. Okay, yeah, I'll be right back. Give me just one sec. Let me just send a message real quick. In the bathroom. God damn it, I'm back. Hold on. My fucking mic broke again. I hate when this shit happens. Not broke, but my mic loves to just randomly disconnect mid fucking stream, right? And because I'm an idiot, I don't have a fuck, man. Okay, I at some point write a script to know when my mic dies. Okay, there you go. It's using the Blue Yeti. Quality's back up. God damn it, guys. I'm sorry. Jesus. It's because I'm using a shitty connector to my laptop, so like any slight movement will disconnect the mic. Man, it's a pain in the ass. I wonder how long it's been muted for. Okay, whatever. Regardless. Okay. So we have a binary over here, right? Cool. So we need a way to make the binary into like a unique identifier. Oh shit, you know what we can do? Okay. I'll pass each binary into a hash voice crack. Into a hash function like a Blake 3 or whatever. And then I know that there are libraries to convert like set size hex values into like a human readable string. So that's what I'll do, right? So first things first, right? Identifiers, right, is going to be equal to enum.map, right? Tokens, and I'll pass in, excuse me, I'll call this token identifiers, right? I'll pass in the list of tokens as an argument, right? Then over here we'll do an enum.map, okay, and then we'll take in each token, convert it into its list of revocation identifiers, right? I'll combine all of these identifier binaries into one big identifier because it doesn't really matter. The individual revocation identifiers don't really matter. What really matters is the fact that we have a unique value for each token, right? So big identifier is equal to enum.fold. Is that not a thing? Oops. Enum.fold. Damn, is there no fold function? Okay, how can I combine multiple binaries into one big binary in Golang? In Golang, in Elixir. Damn. Fold list in Elixir. I'm sure there's a way to. Oh, list.fold. Okay, fucking. You know what? That makes sense. Yeah. Okay, list.fold. Fold L versus fold R. I don't think it matters. So the initial list is identifiers, right? Which will be token biscuit dot revocation identifiers and token and public key. All right, cool. So then we'll fold L, right? We pass in the initial list of identifiers. We'll pass in the accumulator, which is just a single binary that's empty. Nil, right? And then each function will take, or excuse me, the accumulation function will take accumulator, element, and then finally combine two binaries in Elixir. Concatenating two binaries. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I would just do acc lm. Right, nice. Big identifier. I got it. Can I create an empty binary instead of a nil? I feel like I get scared about nil, passing a nil like that. That's fine, whatever. So big identifier is this, right? And then identifier hash, right, is going to be bbfs function, right? Dot internal. Do I have a hash thing? Biscuit dot hash. Do I not have a hash function exported? Really? Wow. Okay. Well, it's gonna be in Blake 3, right? So Blake 3 Elixir. Nice. Okay, there's a Blake 3 module. Perfect. This is exactly what I need. There are feature options in the Rust implementation that allow for SIMD instructions, multi-threading. Okay, cool. Okay. So let's add another dependency. In Big Central, we'll go mix.exs, right? Shit. Okay. For whatever reason, I cannot paste from Google Chrome. Anyway, Blake3. Thank God my mic is still working. I'm paranoid now. Keep checking. Damn. I'm sorry, guys. I'm using a ZSA Moonlander, and for whatever reason, I'm struggling today with using it correctly. Okay, 1.0. Perfect. Blake3. Okay, so now that I've added that as a dependency, I got to go over to here where we're running the mix server. Run mixdeps.get, mixphx.server. Excellent. Let that recompile. Oh, that's also compiling Rust. Cool. Cool. We can configure multi-threading and SIMD. Well, I don't actually care that much. Okay, so yeah, Blake3.hash, whatever, right? So then identifier hash is going to be equal to Blake3.hash, and then we pass in big identifier as its one and only argument. I hope, hold on, does the hash function support binary? Yeah, documentation can be found here. API reference, yeah. Okay, Blake3, and then hash. Data can be, oh, just a binary. Okay, I forgot that strings in Elixir are like the binary. Ooh, excuse me, the binary type. Okay, cool. Identifier hash is this, right? And then we close all of these fucking tabs out. Jesus Christ. Localhost 4000 to keep that open. It's not actually running. Undefined variable tokens. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Can I please? Okay, this is what I'm doing wrong. There we go. Let's return actually token identifiers for right now. Right. Cool. Okay, so that should show a list of hashes, which is not as worthless as before, but very close to it. Right. So we have a list of tokens over here. Revocation identifiers is undefined or private. That is not true. That is wrong. Did I spell it wrong? Revocation. I probably spelled it wrong. No, it's still saying undefined or private. Oh, okay. I see. I see. No clause. God damn it. We're still going. Okay. So this is an okay in identifiers. I forgot that. I do actual good Elixir programming. Okay, construction of binary failed. Fuck. Okay. Over here, an empty binary. Right? Expected a binary but got a list. Okay, why is that? Segment 1 of type binary failed. Expected a binary but got this list. That doesn't really make sense. Oh, okay. I forgot that so vex by default in the Rust Elixir like NIF thing are treated as a list, even if it's evacuate. So I need, hold on. God damn it. I need this to return a binary and not evacuate, not a list of evacuates. List of binary, right? Dot. Will just dot into work, or do I have to do some map shit? It's not a big deal. Okay, yeah. So dot map, or no, dot into iter, dot map, and then each binary. And then we'll collect that at the end. So then so bin is obviously going to be evacuate, right? And then let's say let bin is equal to binary bin dot into, right? Awesome. Will that just work? And then return the Elixir version of the binary. Damn. Guys, please. I'm sure I can convert evacuate into a binary. I'm sure I've done it before in the library, actually. Let me take a look. Take a little look-see. Um, oh, okay, hold on. I forgot that there's just Rust documentation I can look at. So, the binary Elixir type is an immutable smart pointer to an Erlang binary. Cool. I would very much like to create one from... can I do it like from a slice? I just don't know how to create one of these, and I really do need to. Borrow U8, encoder, decoder. Okay, could I create a new binary and then return that? No, because it's immutable. Shit. Okay. Create Rustler binary. Nope, not search. Just binary. Okay, new binary. A newly created immutable Erlang, or newly created mutable Erlang binary. Okay, cool. Cool. It's still not quite what I want though. New binary is a way of creating a binary without going via own binary. Okay, yeah, how can I just work with it as a vector of bytes? Right. Since binary and binary implement encode decode, you could do this. Okay, fine, whatever. Return binary from function Rustler. Google's like reading my mind today, holy shit. Return a binary tuple from a Rust NIF. Yes, exactly. This is exactly what I want. Yes. Okay. Okay. I see what's going on here. So, I'll return an owned binary, right? So, into still won't work, right? Let Elixir bin equal to owned binary new based on the size of the binary, which is going to be bin.len, right? Let mut Elixir bin, and then Elixir bin. Oops. It's unwrap. Yeah. Dot copy from slice bin dot as slice, right? Fucking perfect. And then we can just return that Elixir binary, and that should be exactly what we fucking need. Nope, it doesn't like that. Own binary encoder is not satisfied. Go fuck yourself. God damn it. Okay, can I convert an own binary into a binary? That's kind of a pain in the ass, so I don't want to do that. Okay, hold on. Let me check the Rustler documentation once more. Owned binary. Immutable smart pointer to an Erlang binary, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Release, okay. Consumes self and returns an immutable binary. Okay. So I guess I need to return specifically a regular binary. Dot release. What is env? God damn it. Okay, what is the environment? On each NIF call, an env is passed in. The env is used for most operations that involve communicating with the bean, like decoding and encoding terms. There's no way to allocate an env at the moment, but it may be possible in the future. Okay, how do I get it then? Let me go to the Rustler GitHub, right? That's probably gonna be more helpful. If I go into like examples or some shit like that, Rustler, right? Because I am sure, right? They have an example of how to create an own button. Cool. GitHub, buddy, why are you rate limiting me? Okay. Show me code. God damn it, it's asking me to sign in. I'm not gonna do the whole sign in process on stream. I'll just, whoop, perfect. There we go. Live access to my real GitHub account, guys. Whoa. Firefox is not like, it does not like this at all. Okay, whatever. please show me. Can I click, please? Okay. Do I need to pass in the end directly though? I hate doing that, you know what I mean? It seems like gross. Okay, whatever, fine. God damn it. I'll pass in as the first argument, env, right? And then I'll release based on the env. Unwrap, right? Okay, so I think this should just work, right? So env is, what is it? Has a specific lifetime. Binary has a specific lifetime. They share a lifetime, right? Cool, perfect. Okay, so then we'll kill the server. We'll clean out BFSP. We'll get BFSP. We'll then start the server again, recompile everything. Cool, 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 cool. Is my mic still working? Thank God. Okay, good. I get worried every time now. All right. So now that I have the revocation identifiers function, right? I think that this should just work TM. Shit. Invalid byte 0xcc. What the fuck? What does that mean? What does that even mean? Okay, over here. Ooh, this is ugly. Okay. Yeah, it's just showing... Oh, well, shit, yeah. Blake 3 hash whatever is just gonna give a raw binary, obviously. Okay. Ooh, Elixir's not liking this. Okay. Let's get that fixed real quick. Is there an easy, like, hex encode function in Elixir? Hex encode binary Elixir. Oh, encode 16. Okay, cool. So base dot encode 16, and then the hash. Okay, that's better. The Elixir server's still not loving this though. I don't get why. Okay. Unexpected byte at position 00. Serializers. Okay, what's going on here? Why does it not like this? JSON.decode. I don't really get where this error is coming from, to be quite honest with you. God damn it. Hold on. Kill the Elixir server. I mean, this isn't JSON though. There's no JSON anywhere, right? I'm getting the list of revocation identifiers. I'm creating a big binary. And then I'm hashing said binary. Excuse me, voice crack. Okay, cool. It's just working now. Awesome. I guess things just break sometimes. Okay, cool. So now let's go back to tokens, HEX. Let's put a little space in between each token. Okay, awesome, right. I have a list of tokens now. This is still not useful. Next up, right, what we need to do is SHA-256 to UZ string. I don't know how to say this. I'm gonna ask AI actually. I have no idea how to look this up or ask this. Olama run Hermes. Okay. Alright, artificial intelligence. Oh, hold on, let me let this finish loading. I have a I have a Blake 3 hashed binary. Or I have a Blake 3 hash as a binary that I'm storing. I'd like to show these hashes to users in a way that is easy to quickly identify using common let's say English words. Is there an easy or standard way to do this? Okay, hex, and then map each hex digit to a corresponding word in mnemonics. Okay, mnemonics is the word I'm looking for. Mnemonic hash. I want to make a very small mnemonic phrase based on hashes though. Mnemonic phrase based on hash. Okay. BIP39 is generated using words from a fixed list of 2040 potential words. Okay, so there's a standard for this. BIP39. Is there BIP40? 49? Okay, I'm just fucking around. BIP39, let's check this out. So BIP39 mnemonic code. I don't really, damn it. I just want this, you know, okay, if anybody in chat actually knows what the fuck I'm talking about. So I need to be able to convert a piece of binary, right? Like a hash like this, right? Into a easy human readable format, right? Like something like a mnemonic like this. I just want it to be simple enough to where it's not like a metric ton of text. Like I don't want like I don't know what, like a 12-word mnemonic. That's kind of long. You know what I mean? I gotta think about this. Hold on. I mean, mnemonics are probably best, right? Are there, asking AI again, alternatives to BIP39 mnemonics that are shorter? Okay, cool. Wordless diffuse. It really likes this wordless idea. I don't want to do that. Fuck it. You know what? BIP39 is. BIP39 Elixir. I'm just importing library after library because I can't be fucked to write one. Mnemonic code, okay, for generating deterministic keys in Elixir. Can I take an existing hash though and put that in? Because that's really what I care about. What is a BIP? There's so many. Okay, so BIPs are Bitcoin things. Cool. Bitcoin things. Sound like a fucking boomer or something. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, let's check out BIP39 hex docs. Entropy to mnemonic. Converts entropy to mnemonic. Okay. What is entropy in this case? Okay, so I pass in the hash. I pass in a list of words and it would give me a mnemonic. Cool, let's try this. Okay. So I'll add mix.exs. I'll add yet another dependency to BIP39, right? Version is, what was the version again? 0.1. Cool. Let's kill the server. Let's get our new dependencies and then rerun this shit. Awesome possum. Voice crack. Jesus, awesome possum. Okay. So then finally, after we base 64 or base 16 encode it, right? We don't actually need to do this anymore. We'll pass this into BIP39, right? Dot entropy to mnemonic. Entropy is the hash, and then the list of words is BIP39 dot get words English. Okay, and then if we just open up localhost 4000/tokens, there's an error. There is an error. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. So this is almost good, right? This is just very long. Can I get a smaller Blake hash? I think that's an option. I could just also cut the number of bits in half, but um, Blake 3 Elixir, yeah. Let me see if there's an option to make a smaller hash. Key must be 32 bytes. Okay. Use derived key to get a key of the proper size. Let me see. 32 byte key. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, I don't think there's a way to just get a smaller hash easily. Oh, hey. Alberta John said, sup. Hey, what's up? I'm working on an end-to-end encrypted file server, right? Project. And then in that project, I'm working on a way to revoke tokens. So when a user signs in, like from a different browser, whatever the fuck, you have the option to like remove other users that are already logged into your account. What I'm trying to do is open project or own project. Oh, open. Yeah, here. Let me send. Probably should pin this. Billy's big file server / big central. I sent it in chat. I'll ping it. I'll pin it as well. It is a fully open source project. Literally everything except for the billing server is open source. So it's pretty fucking sick. Pretty goddamn cool. What am I doing? Yeah, so nice typing speed to be honest. Thank you, man. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out how to show each token in a way that's like easy to read for users, right? So let me back up. So each like token when you log in has a unique identifier, right? And then each identifier is a long binary. So I'm just hashing that to get like a single value size. How long have you been working on this project? About a year now, I think. Like front to back end. Let me check. Hold on. Most of it off stream. I only started really like streaming a lot the past month or so. But yeah, oldest commit was probably CLI. Or no, oldest commit was gonna be an encrypted file server over here. 85 commits, goddamn, almost to 100. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Initial implementation of the BFSP? Yeah, 1 year ago. July 25th, 2023. So over a year now. Holy shit. Nice, thank you, man. Yeah, goddamn. The backend's mostly in Rust and Elixir. I'm working on the Elixir part now. Because Elixir deals with authentication. The Rust part deals with, like, file-based operations and shit. Wow, this was a long time ago. Jesus Christ. Yeah, some small test stuff I did. This is cute. This is very cute. Damn, yeah, non-flashbacks or something. Okay, anyway. So, yeah, I need to get a unique identifier from a binary. This is long. This looks awful, right? What I had before was, let's see, base 16 dot, right? Is it base? Oh no, base dot encode 16. This looks more readable in my opinion, right? Thing is though, is that like as a user, I'm just gonna skim over this, right? Which isn't what I want. I want users to be able to like easily, uniquely identify each token. Or like, you know, like identify it by just looking at it. Let me think. I don't like base 16. I don't like bit either. You know what? I don't know anything about that. That's totally fine, dude. No, bro. I mean, clearly I don't know anything about this shit either. But I'm trying to figure it out. Hey, fuck yeah, man. Dude, if you do, I'll, if you can figure it out, I'll put your name in the code. Be like, you know, thanks to Alberta John for this. Let me think. So I need a way to be able to visually identify a hash, right? You know, a hash is just a binary in a way that is unique to each binary. No, I don't need to do that. No, of course I will, man. It's totally fine. Plus, it's an open source project. That I'll consider that like an open source contribution. You know what I mean? But yeah, I need to uniquely identify each hash in a way that's visually distinct to users, so it can't just look like a fucking wall of text, right? While also being completely unique. I have my own skills. I'm currently working on it. Good stuff, man. Can I ask, do you program in your free time, or do you do it like professionally normally, or just not at all? If you're just popping in to see like what the fuck I'm up to, that's also cool. Mm. Son of a bitch. I mean, damn. I cuss a lot on stream. I just realized I cuss a lot. I do more, even more in my personal life. Well, I'm not a programmer. No, that's fine. That's totally fine. Are you? Do you have any interest in programming? If you don't mind me asking. Don't let me get too into your personal life, by the way, of course. But I'm just curious. How can I visually identify a hash? I'm a digital artist. Oh shit, that's awesome. Yeah, I do like watching it. Okay, that's cool as hell, man. That's awesome. Do you do it for work, or do you do it like just for fun? If you don't mind me asking. Can I follow you, dude? Yeah, go for it, man. I have Twitch, obviously. Yeah, please follow me, dude. I have a yeah, I do art for a living. That's so fucking sick. Do you want to send a portfolio or something? I'd be super down to check it out real quick on stream, if you don't mind that. You know, especially because I got a couple viewers going already. GitHub profile pic. Fuck yeah, man. Yeah, just send it in chat. Do you have a Discord? I do. Yeah. I'll whisper it to you since I don't want to put that shit out there publicly. You have blocked whispers from strangers. Yeah, no, that's fine. There you go. I just DM'd you. God damn, it's making me verify my shit. Give me a sec. Asking for my password too. God damn, please just let me send my shit. Oh my lord. Okay, cool. There we go. Nice, 19 followers. That's crazy. God damn it. Okay, dude. It's Can I? It's really, really not wanting me to. Okay, there we go. Phone number. Art by Alberta. Am I crazy, or were you on stream yesterday? No, that was Art by Bethany. Okay. A lot of artists, I guess. Very cool. Send me a request. Okay, let me just log into my Discord real quick. Or, yeah, give me just 2 minutes. Forgive me, chat. Ah, damn, I lost all my viewers. Okay, yeah, okay, I just sent it. There you go. Okay, cool, yeah. Yeah, man, I'll check out your portfolio later today. That's awesome. Probably after stream, though, if I think about it. Just so I can get this done real quick. How does GitHub show like a unique profile picture for each user? If I can just copy that, that might actually be good. GitHub profile picture generator. I got your Discord DM, by the way, or your request. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Friends. Where is it? Pending. There we go. All right, just added you. Appreciate the follow, by the way. Thank you very much. Okay. Damn. How does... Okay, let me look up how does GitHub generate avatars. That's better. For my hash user ID, yeah, okay. Identicon. Okay, this is what I need. If I can just make an identicon for each token, right? Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. So, is there an identicon Elixir library? Hold on, sorry, one sec. Okay, identicon generator built with Elixir. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, how does it look though? What does the output look like? I want to make sure it actually works first. Test. Damn it, hold on. Okay. There's multiple libraries too. Generates identicons and SVG so they can be inlined into HTML. Perfect. This is awesome. This is great. This is exactly what I want. Yeah. I probably should link to my Alberta John, do you know what Mastodon is by chance or no? Just curious. Packages available in Hex. Okay, awesome. This is exactly what I want. So Big Central mix.exs. Sorry, what? No, that's fine. That's okay. Mastodon is an alternative to Twitter, basically. I started using it. I don't really even use it that often. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to link my socials to Twitch in a way that's like useful. Because I have a YouTube where I post VODs. And hopefully soon other content, but like, I don't know. Like, Twitch is my main thing, for sure. YouTube's just like a nice side effect way of keeping all my stuff together. Okay. Anyway, so back here, right? Identicon SVG, can't type, is 0.9. Oh, 0.9.5. Sure, you have to put it in your about section. Okay, I probably should do that now then. Well, I'll do it after stream. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Yeah, YouTube's the same name though. It's just bootleg Billy 1. Nothing interesting posted there yet. Just VODs. But I mean, hey, if you like watching old streams where I rant and rave about programming, I guess that's a good place to check it out. Do you have a schedule for streaming? Dude, I should. I'm currently job hunting, so it kind of varies day by day. I'm more or less streaming daily for this week though. But then I'm moving Thursday and Friday, so I'm not sure about how that's gonna work then. But I'll say more or less daily, yeah. Maybe setting up a schedule is nice though, you know what I mean? Like because I know Twitch has the option of like showing it. Ooh, okay, yeah. So sadly, this little office space that I set up, best of luck. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, this office space I set up is going to be only on stream for like this next week, and then that's it. It's over. Okay, we forgot how to use this identicon library. Online documentation. There we go. Okay. So generate, right? Generate the SVG code to get identicon for the specified text. Okay, what is text supposed to be? Is it a binary or? Cool. Can it be whatever? Okay, it doesn't look like there's a type specification. Kindly speak loud. Okay. Is my voice quiet on stream? Here, I can put the volume up a little bit. Hold on. How is this? Is this better? I set the mic volume up a bit higher, so hopefully that should work. Okay. Yeah, now better. Okay. Should I set it higher? Thank you, by the way. I appreciate it. Should I set it higher, or is this good? How it is? Voice crack. How it is now? Okay. Generate. So text size, background color, opacity, padding, options. Okay, let's just generate based on text then. So I'll pass in identicon. Oops. I'll have to get the dependencies. Oops. Kill the server, mix deps.get, so boot up a new Elixir server. Okay. I'll keep, maybe I should put it a little bit higher. Just a little bit. Okay, there we go. How is this, by the way? I set my voice a bit higher. I still want to, like, blast some of these eardrums out. Okay, so server's running again. So let's pass in identicon svg dot generate. Random question: do you smoke? Not really. No. Yeah, nah, not really. Some like very occasionally, but not enough to say I do it. Why do I sound like it? My voice can be kind of like gravelly, which I kind of hate, but it is what it is. Um, okay, just the generate function. No, no. Okay. Nah, I was just curious though. Do you smoke, Alberta? Okay, so if I pass in just generate, right? What does that return? An identicon with a transparent background. Yep, very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna assume smoking a little Zaza, right? That's pretty popular now in 2024. Get a little more coffee real quick. Scrumptious. Also, if you are a pothead, I gotta ask: are you more of an indica or sativa type of dude, or chick, or they? You know, you can never know, right? Okay, let's continue though. Let's continue. Now that we're generating a new identicon, that's an SVG, right? Will this just work? That'd be crazy, right? Oh shit, hold on. Every time. Okay. So it just passes in a straight SVG. That's cool. That's cool. So if we go to tokens.html.hex, right, over here, if we just pass this in a straight HTML, will this work? I've sent you a portfolio. Very nice. Okay, sick, sick. I'll check it a little later though if it's alright with you, just so I can continue stream. I gotta get off a little bit soon, just because I gotta yeah, I appreciate it though, man. Yeah, I'll check it out soon. I just gotta do this, and then probably hop off for the day just to get some house stuff done. How can I just show straight HTML? Show HTML. Elixir Phoenix. Because I just want to pass it directly without really having to do much else. Yeah, just raw. Okay. Okay, raw. That's what I gotta do. So raw token. This nice. Okay. It shows each token as a massive picture. This is too big. Don't forget to give me your feedback on Discord. No, for sure, I will. Don't worry. I have Discord on my phone, so I have the notification up. I'll just respond there probably. Okay, these identicons are way too big though. I will say right now. Let's set size to like 1, if possible. Or size. The number of grid squares. Okay, 4 to 10, 5 by default. Cool. A different hashing algorithm is used for each identicon size. Okay, so I don't even need to pass in Blake 3 then. I can just pass big identifier directly. Because I don't need to do a hash of a hash, voice crack. Cool. Okay, let's make the size like... What does 10 look like? I'm curious. Okay, sick. It looks kind of like Space Invader shit. I like it. Background color and opacity. Okay, this is fine. So I need to make these SVGs smaller though, for sure. Excuse me. Okay, what do I need to do up next then to get that working? Damn, my arms are looking kind of huge on stream, by the way. Jesus fuck. Okay. Set SVG size. Tailwind. Yeah, using Tailwind CSS. Okay, perfect. Because if I can just wrap each of these SVGs in like a div or something. Okay, using the viewbox attribute to resize the SVG icon. Viewbox, what is that? Okay. Defines the position and dimension of an SVG viewport. Can I just... How long have you been? Oh, how long have you been programming for? Like just for fun, about 10 years, and I've been doing it professionally for the past 2 years. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it, man. I fucking love programming. I think it is awesome. I think it is awesome. I know I said it like that. Resize SVG using div tailwind. Yeah. Okay, cool. Without mask crop. Awesome. Yes, we must have a viewbox attribute. God damn it. Okay, that's fine. Are we currently setting a viewbox attribute over here or no? Viewbox equals 0, 0, 10, 10. Okay. Cool. I'm doing my work for almost 4 years. Good stuff, dude. Do you work for a company or do you do like independent contracting? Either way, that's very neat. Set small. I don't know. I need to make these pictures much smaller. Set width and height of div. Maybe using like Tailwind or something. I do work with our firm. Okay, good stuff. Would you happen to know Art by Bethany or something like that? Because y'all have very similar names. I'm just curious if you guys are related or not. H-fold to set it to 100%. Okay. So I can wrap these each in a div. Right. And then set. God damn it. Hold on. The class for each div to be fuck. Yeah, fixed height would be good. I'd say just like H1. And then if we go back over to the page that I lost for some reason, tokens. Okay, that's much too small, but this is good. This is progress. This is progress. Okay. Can I set it as a percentage of this? Let me tell you about Bethany. Oh shit, okay. I did not know that you knew her. That's crazy. Okay, a fourth is too small though, for sure. Can I do smaller, like an eighth? Okay, I can, yeah. A sixth then. Yeah, if you want to talk about Bethany, please do. I'm curious. Damn it. Even a 6 is too big though. Or maybe I'm not doing this right. H-1/6, right? Yeah. H-1/6. Okay, that still feels much too big, right? Considering what I'm doing. I can just set a set size, right? H20 or something. Okay, that's better. So I don't need to have the break anymore if I'm gonna have a div. Awesome, okay. Nice, so we now have a unique image for each token. Still too big though, hold on. Let's say H15. That's bigger, 25 is what I meant. What? Okay, H3, H4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. What is 10? It's like 40 pixels is what it said? Okay, that's better. So then, next to each token, we can have some info. I saw her profile, I think with the name of Nova. She stole our some work and using them on her portfolio, like Streamer Pack or etc. Really? Interesting. So she stole portfolio work. That's crazy. What the fuck? Dude, yeah, she's trying to sell me some she's trying to give me a pay her for a portfolio the other day. Which is cool. I don't want to pay for anything right now since, you know, I'm trying to save money and shit like that. Okay. Interesting. I didn't know that. Well, good to know. I'm definitely not gonna buy from her now. Okay. So let's go over here, right? I no longer need Blake 3, so I can just ignore that. Right, Blake 3. And then rerun the server. Cool. Okay, so now, that's why we don't share a portfolio in live chat. Oh, okay, you know what? Yeah, it makes sense. What organization do you work with? Behance? Okay, Arc Vision Studio. That's sick. Oh, Kissimmee, Florida. I've been to Kissimmee. It's a beautiful city. I like it quite a bit. Okay, so excuse me. For each token, right? We should have a few things, right? So we should have just the raw token info. That's nice though. Yeah, man. Not to dox myself too hard, but I used to live in I'm not gonna say what city. I used to live in Florida. Well, Tampa, it's a big city. I used to live in Tampa a long time ago, so I know like that general area pretty well. Still have some family down there too, so okay. Yeah, so for each token, right? Token image, right? Want to come again there? Oh yeah, man, yeah. Eventually, I have family down there, so I'm gonna for sure come visit. Probably next month. I think I do want to go visit there. My parents live down there, and my sisters do too. So yeah, I love Florida though, man. Honestly, compared to where I live now, I mean, it's beautiful over there. Beautiful, sunny all the time, warm. Pool season pretty much every fucking day. Rains a lot. It's gorgeous. Don't dox yourself. But do you live in Florida now? Okay, big identifier. Why is this not working? We should still be passing in. Yeah, good stuff, man. That's awesome. Token. We should rename token identifiers to token info. Yeah, I do want to go back eventually. I just don't know if I want to live there just yet. You know what I mean? I've been doing a lot of travel. Well, was doing a lot of travel before I got unemployed again, and I like it a lot, man. I want to stick to traveling around like the country for a bit before I settle down anywhere specifically. You know what I mean? Okay, undefined variable token info. I do like traveling. Yeah, man. I went to the most exotic place I've been. Besides, I was born in the Dominican Republic. You can't hear it at all in my voice, but you know, I'm Dominican. I speak Spanish. But the most exotic place I've been to is Singapore, man. And let me tell you, it is beautiful, beautiful over there. Probably one of the most beautiful places I've been to in my entire life. I absolutely loved every second of it. Okay, so we should still be mapping this to an image, right? What's going wrong here? What are we doing wrong? Get token. Oh, okay, there's no token info. Token info is so, right? And then rename it. Oh, I can't rename it, whatever, that's fine. Okay, this should still work though, I think, now. Undefined variables token info at line 4. Oh, yeah, at token info. Because it's a live view. Tokens not found in whatever. O's. Tokens. Infos. Token info. Okay, that makes sense. So then over here, token info is just a lot of fucking renaming. Okay, still tokens not found. Oh, I forgot to save this, that's why. Okay, nice. So next, what we want to do is we want to pass in created at, right? And then the token dot created at. Oops, put a comma over here too. Created at not found. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's just the raw token. Let's do something over here, right? Let's get the token information from the database. Tokens dot. Create a new function using Linux. Yeah, I do. I run a Nix OS, which is a weird Linux distribution. Hold on. So we can pull up some info about it on stream. Yeah, NixOS. Basically, it lets you configure your whole system from a single file in a way that's like reproducible, right? So you can find my Linux you can find my config here on GitHub. I haven't used it. That's all good. Do you run Linux or do you run like Windows or Mac? Just curious. Okay. Let's go into tokens, right? Add a new function called get token by token, right? Query is equal to from t in token. Select t where t.token is equal to the token that we're passing in, and then repo.all query. And repo.1, excuse me. Repo.1 query. Cool. Windows, I love Windows. I get that, man. I ran Windows for years. Well, obviously, like when I was a kid, I ran Windows, obviously, because most people do. I switched over to Linux full time 6 years ago, and I don't regret it for a second, honestly. Windows is great for 99% of stuff, but for programming, I just prefer Linux. And then because like Linux games work really well, Linux programming is really great. And then like, you know, my browser works just fine. Everything else works fine. I'm like, why would I have Windows and Linux when Linux is good at everything Windows is and better at programming? You know what I mean? But that's just my like thought process, you know. Token. Okay. So I have an individual token. You can get the created at shit. Created or inserted at. That's what I need. Inserted at. Cool. So now we have some information about each token. Let's go back to tokens.html.htx. And over here, right, we can get the token info.created at, and then created at whatever. I want it after the image though, I don't want it before. I'm unsure how to fix that, but I'll do it later. Let's make it clear too. Maybe I need to make this a flex box. Okay, that's better. There we go. Right, so it shows the created at date in an ugly ass way, but I can fix that later once again. Awesome. Okay, I think for now I'm gonna head off just because I'm 3 hours deep into streaming and I'm late to seeing my buddy. But before I do, I try to rate a channel before I head off every day. So let's find some software and game dev channels. Okay, sweet. I don't want like a huge channel, something small. Yo, Hypnotic Games, I fucking love this guy. Hold on, I'm actually gonna rate this guy's channel 100%. Okay, well guys, it has been a fun stream. This has been a really fun stream. Back-to-back fun streams, which is great. Oh, how do I raid? God damn it. Dot raid? Oh, /raid, okay. Raid Hypnotic Games. Alright guys. Yeah, like I said, it's been a really fun stream. If you like what I'm doing, you'll love Hypnotic. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys maybe tomorrow.